Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how we will use Gemini and what are the options available for the applications. In the previous video we see about what are things we need to install to use Gemini, everything. So in the previous video we see what are the things we need a Google account, console, we need to enable Vertex AI, and we need to enable all the related APIs. Then we need to install the dependencies. Um, then after installation, we see that how to I will do again how to communicate with chat with Gemini 2.5. Okay, so we will quickly say it and we will move forward in the next part. After we have the APIs in the secret place, then we connect that Google AI Studio API key here. Then we are using this model and we send some prompt. Based on the prompt, it's bring the data informations. Then we can get the information from the JSON values here. After that, now we are going to use a streaming method, how we can check the data and show in proper format here. Then we can use the memory. For example, when you go to the chat, we when we introduce the chat need to remember our previous informations and use in the current chat or in the prompt. So for that we need to use memory. So here we use chat's continuous conversation which demonstrate that message history is stored by the chat. So for continuous conversation, the chat information must be saved as a memory. Okay, tell me more. So we asked the one prompt, tell me three facts about Jupiter and its moon. Now we are not sending anything, tell me more. More means it will keep this information in the memory and bring the related informations. Here is bring. So the memory is working fine here. Then Gemini 2.5 and thinking budget. The Gemini 2.5 have the advanced feature like reasoning, thinking, and do the actions. Do the related actions. What are the need for that request? The model in this one model with think capabilities are available through Google Gemini API. Thinking is on the default in both the API and AI because 2.5 series model has the ability to automatically decide. So it have the ability to automatically decide, think, it is planning, and do the actions. So here explain the Occam razor concept, provide everyday example for it. So when we send the question, it will think itself and give the example for us. Let's wait for some. So it gives the related informations here. So you're thinking and give. Even the slammer is also same like that we can use here. The by model we can use same like this for everything. Then we can use OpenAI compatible API for other testing. See, we're using the OpenAI completion OpenAI compatible APIs. We pass the prompt and get the information. Using we can have the library, Python library. It's a light LLM also. We can get the related information. Authenticated with light LLM. So using light LLM, we can get information. It being the related informations for us. So we can use load balancing. So we can Gemini will in USA and Europe and fall back to the another API model. Another model if any issues will happen in the existing model where by for managing the load balance. So here for here we use Gemini 2.0. 2.0 here we are using Flash and also Flash here, but here in the central region and central region. If anything will fall down to maintain the low, we'll move to the another model here. It's like that when you run this one, it will bring this information based on the managing. So it's like this. We have more options available in the you uh, available in the agentic way to use this Gemini 2.5. So same fake function calling. You know that when the agent will call, we will use default LLM model. If we need to call the external resource or data, we can use function calling. We can use tool to access the outside extra data. So automatically the Gen AI SDK support automatic function calling. It's trigger a function anytime response. Okay, function call up with the predefined maximum number of tunes. So here it will show the so it will call many times as it needed. It if anything information is the default model it will bring. If anything needed from outside function outside data, we will use function call and get the related data. For example, our postal it will call postal data and bring the information. The grounding private data and bring the information. The grounding is for example we need to more search more advanced data with using Google search we can use grounding and grounding with Google search and go bring the related information from the Google search. So it's doing like this. Then another is image generation with image. So we are saying that for example this is a model generate image. Here under umbrella in the foreground, a rainy night sky in the background. We send this prompt. So based on the way before when I do, it bring like this umbrella. Now I will run again. To bring the new, it will generate new image here. Yeah, see, it's bring new image here. But again, when I run it again, it will bring again the new image. It generate the new image based on the prompt. See, bring the new image here. I need to generate new image. So if we need to enhance the prompt for the image, for any landscape background. So if we ask enhance this image prompt and bring very creative and send our original prompt. So when you use the enhance prompt, it will enhance and give the image very attractive. See? it will enhance and give the innovative way to bring the give the um, image. So it's like more options are available here. So I will add this document in the description. Please check it out and use in our existing applications. We have more options available. Please check here. Thank you.